Hi, and welcome, dear seekers of peace and enchantment. I am Lynn Demers, your guide to a realm of serenity and endless horizons. Today, we embark on a soothing journey to the Tranquil Beach, a magical place where the gentle whispers of the ocean restore harmony and wash away all the cares of the world. Before we set foot on this enchanted shoreline, I invite you to find a place of comfort and stillness where you can sit or lie down undisturbed by the world outside. This meditation weaves together the art of gentle self-havening touches with the power of visualization, leading you to a profound state of relaxation and inner peace. To begin, gently place your palms on your shoulders, caressing down to your elbows in a rhythmic motion that echoes the ebb and flow of the waves you're about to encounter. Take a deep breath, let it out slowly, and allow yourself to be transported to the edge of the Tranquil Beach. As you settle into your tranquil space, let your hands rest gently upon your arms. Begin the soothing motion of self-havening, softly stroking from your shoulders down to your elbows, mirroring the gentle caress of ocean breezes on your skin. With each breath, feel yourself becoming lighter, as if lifted by the sea air itself. Imagine now that you stand at the threshold of a mystical beach, where the sands shimmer under the moonlight, not with the usual hues of earth and sand, but with a soft silver glow that seems to hum with ancient magic. The sky stretches out, a vast canvas painted with soft pastels of twilight, transitioning slowly to the deep, serene blue of night. Stars begin to twinkle in the celestial expanse, each one a beacon guiding you deeper into peace. Begin to walk along the water's edge, your feet leaving gentle imprints in the magical sands, each step glowing faintly in response to your touch. The cool water caresses your toes with each gentle wave, a soothing melody played by the ocean itself. And as you continue your self-havening touches, each stroke is a wave of calm, bringing you closer to the heart of tranquility. Allow yourself a moment to sit on the glowing sand, watching the horizon where the ocean kisses the night sky. The full and radiant moon casts a pathway of light across the water, inviting you to follow it into a world of dreams and serenity. The sound of the waves, rhythmic and gentle, becomes a lullaby, lulling you into a state of deep relaxation and connection with the world around you. And as you sit by the water's edge, let your self-evening touches transition to gently cupping your face, as if caressed by the night air itself. Feel the blend of coolness and warmth, a reflection of the moonlight dancing on the water's surface. This touch, combined with the tranquil sounds of the sea, deepens your sense of peace, enveloping you in a cocoon of calm. Embrace this moment at the Tranquil Beach, where time stands still and the heart finds its rhythm in the gentle pulse of the sea. Here you are free from the constraints of the day, wrapped in the embrace of the ocean's vast, comforting presence. Now, as the moon sails higher into the night sky, it's time to gently draw your journey at the Tranquil Beach to a close. Take a deep cleansing breath, bringing back with you the calm, the serenity, and the magic of this enchanted place. Slowly let your awareness return to the present, feeling refreshed, peaceful, and embraced by a renewed sense of hope. Thank you for joining me on this magical journey to the Tranquil Beach. And may the peace and wonder you've discovered here stay with you, illuminating your path and soothing your spirit. And until we meet again, remember, this place of tranquility is always here for you, within the haven of your heart. Thank you.